Friends, myself Dr. Vikram Patel. I welcome to all of you in the VGF Club International Plan presentation. This is the international plan presentation we do every week in the English language for the benefit of all over the participants which are from outside India. Friends, I want to ask one question. Do you give a little time to build your family's future? Second question is there, do you want to earn passive income? Friends, are you ready to make digitalization part of your daily life? Friends, VGF Club International is the right opportunity to make the digitalization part of your life, also to earn passive income, and also you can retire with a huge money, because whatever you are doing right now may not fulfill your dreams. It may fulfill your needs, but it may not fulfill your dreams. But in VGF Club International Business, you can fulfill your dreams as well as your day-to-day requirements. So as per my experience, VGF Club International is the right opportunity in this time. Friends, if you want to know more about VGF Club, please now listen carefully. Friends, do you know these brands? WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, YouTube, Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, Yatra.com, Make My Trip, Oyo, Just Dial, Trivago, GoIbibo. These all brands are one type of mobile applications. These all are service provider applications. All these brands are promoting their application by paying huge advertising cost. They all are making money by providing their services. But the owner of the company gets benefit of all the profit. By using all this application and their services, customers do not get any financial gain. But friends, VGF Club International welcoming you to PPP business model. PPP means Public-Private Partnership. VGF Club International is a tour management company registered in Thailand and India, and also highly interested to expand the business around the world. Company work with the people on the business development, and benefit of business are distributed between all the partners. Friends, as I have told, VGF Club International Holidays Private Limited is a company registered in India and Thailand. VGF Club is a tour management company, and it manages international tours. Friends, Mr. Rajiv Jaiswal, he is a CEO of the company. He is a youngest industrialist, having more than 20 years of experience in business management. He is managing titanium glass industry, manufacturing of glass, and City Life appliances industry, manufacturing of RO plant. He is a successful business owner. Friends, now one question is there, how can you join? It is very simple. Download VGF Club application from the Play Store. Create account by your mobile number. You will get verification OTP on your mobile number. Enter sponsor ID. That is the mobile number of your upline. Then enter your email ID to get the payment receipt. Enter your full name with surname, and enter your password, which you have to keep confidential. As soon as you complete this registration process, you have to buy the package by paying 2,550 rupees as a booking and membership amount. And then you have to complete Upgrade Club to get the entry in worldwide cycle. Let us understand in details. After completing registration, you have to complete 4 formalities. First is complete your profile, add your bank details, update KYC, and update beneficiary list. Beneficiary list is necessary to get a quick payment. It is only for India. For international partners, you have to enter BTC account details. Friends, to get the grand success, you have to take 90 days training. 90 days learning is mandatory to get success in this business. You you must learn through online as well as classroom training. In recent scenario, classroom training is not possible. So we have to come and we have to learn through online training. This education will help you to grow financially as well as socially. To get grand success, you have to follow the guidelines of your upline. Friends, you must learn three things to get success. First, you must learn to operate the mobile application. You have to understand the distribution plan and complete 90 days training. If you learn continuously for 90 days, your team will grow rapidly and you will get entry in company millionaire club, CMC, get a chance to earn more than 1 lakh rupees per month. Friends, how to become a business partner? There are two ways. First way, which I have already told, by paying booking and membership amount of 2,550 or purchasing a full package, silver package, by paying full amount, 44,999. Friends, what are the benefit of membership? There are three benefits. First, lifetime 10% discount on every packages. Whenever you purchase any packages, you will get 10% discount. 4,999 additional cash discount on your first booking of Thailand group. Entry in worldwide club business cycle. That is the most important benefit of this membership. Friends, as soon as you purchase the package, you will pay 2,550 rupees and upgrade the club. You will see this type of screen. Whole 2,550 rupees will be distributed 100%. As a 100 rupees as a direct referral, 200 rupees as a affiliate income, 700 rupees in worldwide club, 300 rupees in company student club, 500 rupees in company millionaire club, 350 rupees goes to leadership income, 18% GST, that is 387 rupees as a GST, and 13 rupees company will keep for application maintenance. That means whole 2,550 rupees will be distributed immediately when you upgrade the club. Now, what are the incomes? Whatever we distribute, it will also go to our upline, and same way, whenever we develop a team under us, it will come to us also. First is direct referral. As soon as you refer any one person, you will get 100 rupees as a referral income. Same way, if you refer 2%, 3%, 4%, whatever the legs you open, whatever the person you refer, you will get 100 rupees as a direct referral income. This is one-time income. 200 rupees will go to affiliate income distribution. 200 rupees will be distributed. It is a level income. From the first and second level, 20 rupees will go. From third to seventh level, 10 rupees will be distributed. From 8th level to 19th level, 5 rupees will be distributed. From 20th level to 35th level, 3 rupees will be distributed. And from on 36th level, 2 rupees will go. This income is a very little income. If you see, it looks very little, but when your network grows, it will become a very, very big income. Friends, next is the 700 rupees distribution into worldwide club distribution cycle. Whenever you refer the people, whenever you join some friends under you, whenever you join 2 people, you will get 700 rupees from 2 people. Total will be 1,400 rupees. 900 rupees will go to your upline to upgrade next club, and you will get 500 rupees in your bank transfer. As soon as you join 2 people, you will get 100 rupees as a direct referral income and 500 rupees as a club A income. So you can withdraw 700 rupees from your wallet. As soon as you enter into club B, same way, 4 people will give you 900 rupees. Total will be 3,600 rupees. 2,000 rupees will go to upgrade club C, and you will get 1,600 rupees in your cash wallet. As soon as you enter into club C, 8 people will give you 2,000 rupees. Total will be 16,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees will go to upgrade club next. That is club D. And you will get 6,000 rupees in your cash wallet. As soon as you enter into club D, 16 people will give you 10,000 rupees. Total will be 1,60,000 rupees. 1 lakh will go to upgrade club E. And you will get 60,000 rupees on your cash wallet. As soon as you enter into club E, 32 people under you will give you 1 lakh rupees. That means you will get 32 lakh rupees. 32 lakh out of 32 lakh rupees, 20 lakh will upgrade club, go to upgrade club F, and you will get 12 lakh rupees in your cash wallet, which you can withdraw. As soon as you enter into club F, 20 lakh rupees will be received from 64 people. That means 12 crore 80 lakh rupees will be received to you. But there is no further club. So whole 12 crore 80 lakh rupees will be yours. That means this 700 rupees distribution worldwide cycle is capable to give you 12 crore 92 lakh 68,100 rupees. This is 100% mathematically calculated plan. And it is working. I have already entered into club C, and I have also received in club A. I have received 702 times, 900 4 times, and 2,000 rupees 2 times. And several people in my team also received 2,000 rupees 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. That means this club is working. Our upline Dinesh Bhai Bhalodia has already entered into club E. That means who is having great network, who is having big network, his club will automatically fill up. This is just like fixed deposit income. Whatever you work day to day, you will automatically upgrade your club. Next, income. This is the monthly income, that is company student club distribution. Whenever you refer any person, whenever any person under you will buy package, 300 rupees will be deposited into CMC club. If 300 deposited amount from first date of, that is the day 1 of the month to the last day of the month, it will be accumulated. And who will get the benefit? Whoever will develop a team of 40 to 42 members in a calendar month, he will get a benefit of CMC equally, CSC amount equally distributed among all the partners who have developed this type of team. Condition is there, you have to develop 42 people in a single leg, and rest total of all legs, 42 can be okay. Next club is Company Millionaire Club. 500 rupees collected from each booking is deposited into Company Millionaire Club. It will be distributed between all the qualifying partners who have developed a team of 100 plus 100 members in a month. As per the example, you have to complete 100 people in a single leg, and total of the all legs can be 100 is okay. That means you can really enter into Millionaire Club. Millionaire means crorepati. So this is the real feeling. Whenever you enter in the CMC, you will feel that you will become a millionaire in the future. Friends, another exciting income, that is leadership income. And this income you can get day to day. Whenever you join one person in your single leg, I have already shown in different colors, so you can focus on yellow. One person you have joined, and on another leg you have joined, that is a one pair matching. You will get 200 rupees. If you join 2 person in one side and 2 person on other side, that means 2 pair matching, you will get 400 rupees. If you join 3 person or more on both the side, you will get 500 rupees, because 500 rupees is the capping. But most benefit is there because this capping and this settlement time is 3 times in a day. Whenever you join the people from morning 4 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and 8 p.m. to morning 4 a.m. 3 times you can get 500 rupees. Up to you can earn 500 rupees. That means per day this leadership income you can get 1,500 rupees, and in the month you can earn up to 45,000 rupees as per the development of your network, and it will help you to develop your network because this income is day-to-day income. You do not have to wait till the month end. Then next exciting feature is the CMC star rating. You are already aware that all the applications are also asking for star rating. But here star rating is different because whenever you give 1 star rating is given to CMC achievers. If you find that one CMC achiever who is giving us very good services, he is showing very good plan, he is helping us, you can give star rating. That means whenever you give 1 star, CMC achiever will get 10 rupees. 10 rupees will be deducted from your wallet and transferred to CMC achiever's wallet. Same way, with 2 star 20 rupees, 3 star 30 rupees, 4 star 40 rupees, and from 5 star 50 rupees will be deducted from your wallet and transferred to CMC achiever's wallet. Same way, whenever you become a CMC achiever, you can get the same chances. If your services are good, people will give you. As per example, if your team develop as a 1 lakh members and all team members due to your good services give you 1 star, you will earn 1 million rupees in a day. That is the best features in VGF Club application. Basically, VGF Club is a company of tourism. So, if we earn money but don't go to see the world, there is no meaning. So, company is providing an extraordinary world tour club in which CMC achievers and all the other partners can get a free trip of 18 countries of the world. This world tour club, you can get your status by your rank. That is shown on the application. Whenever you qualify for the World Tour Club, you will get chances to visit Bangkok, London, Barcelona, Tokyo, Paris, Switzerland, Macau, Moscow, Kathmandu, Hong Kong, Rome, Sydney, Singapore, Bali, Las Vegas, Malaysia, Mauritius, New York. And this trip will be 100% free. That is the real benefit of World Tour Club. Friends, VGF Club is going to start e-commerce portal in the future, in which there are mobile recharge services, TV recharge services, flight booking services, hotel booking services, taxi booking services, and online shopping. Whenever you develop a team, your team can get a chance to get benefit from all these services. Friends, from the 1st June 2020, VGF Club is truly international by incorporating blockchain technology in the VGF Club application. By using blockchain technology, you can join people throughout the world with the help of Bitcoin also, and also QR code incorporated for the online transactions. You can also withdraw the money in the form of Bitcoin, and in the recent scenario, Bitcoin is only for foreign people which are not living in India. Friends, VGF Club is planning to capture the 10% business between India and Thailand tourism. As you know that Thailand is the most popular tourist destination in Asian countries. And I have already shared few videos because we have already visited Thailand in May 2017. And at that time we have captured some videos in our mobile. And now I have already shared those videos in YouTube channel. So you can also see, if you have not visited Thailand, you can see how Thailand is, why Thailand is most popular in tourism sector. As we know that almost 15 lakh people are visiting Thailand every month. Out of 15 lakhs, 60% are visiting from India. That means 9 lakh people are visiting Thailand every month. If we acquire 10% business, that means 90,000 people will go through VGF Club. Friends, think that if 90,000 people give us only 5,000 rupees from one package, how much our income will go? That is the potentiality of business. Friends, next planning, company was planning to purchase a hotel in Goa, but recently new development is there. Company is going to plan and develop a hotel, first hotel in Ayodhya, and then it will be replicated in throughout the world, in Goa also and in other places also. VGF will develop hotels. Company's plan is to develop tourism offices throughout the India. All CMC achievers will get a chance to develop a tourism office in their premises, and they can sell the packages of VGF Club, and packages will be for all over the world. Recently, VGF Club is only selling the package of Thailand, but in near future, you can sell the packages throughout the world. Another exciting feature is there. Company is planning to develop hotel chain in throughout the world. All the CMC achievers will get partnership in hotel business also. Then, friends, this was our plan. But from the 1st September, something new has arrived that you know already. So I will explain you further. On the 15th September 2019, VGF Club has launched VGF Club application. Now this is our anniversary month. Company has already completed 1 year, and now VGF Club is having a team of almost 1 lakh people. So company has announced a family security plan. From the 1st September, you can get family security fund. How it will work, let me explain. First condition is there, for the old members who have joined before 31st August, you have to complete 3 directs before September end. And the new members who have joined from 1st September, you have to complete 3 directs within 30 days. That means if you have joined today is 6th, you have to complete 3 directs before next month 5th. That means within 30 days, you have to complete 3 directs to get the benefit of this family security fund. What are the benefit? First benefit is, due to any reason, if you are a CSC achiever, due to any reason, you are failed to achieve CSC next month, company will provide support of 10,200 rupees for that month. So you can regain your CSC for the next month. In case you fail again, in a second month, company will also help you again by providing support of 5,100 rupees in your health wallet. So you can regain your CSC again. Due to any worst condition, if you fail third time to achieve CSC, company will provide support of 2,550 rupees in third month. Within 3 months, you have to get CSC back. So you can get your earning again and again. due to any reason, due to any accident or naturally or any reason, any active CSC achiever dies, company will take care for his family. First, ID will be transferred to his wife. If he is a lady CSC achiever, ID will be transferred to his husband. 2 lakh rupees will be given to his wife, 2 lakh rupees given to his children, equally distributed. If 2 children are there, 1 lakh rupees, and 2 lakh rupees to his parents, 1 lakh to father, 1 lakh to mother. This amount will be given in the form of fixed deposit. If parents are not there or children are not there, whole 6 lakh rupees will be paid to his wife. Condition for family security fund, age criteria, entry age will be 18 years to 55 years. Then once you achieve CSC, there is no age limit for the future. This is the entry age limit. In case of death, recommendation from 5 active upline and 5 active downline is necessary. If CSC achiever do not remain faithful to the company, all benefits can be withdrawn. Friends, this is the first anniversary. So company is also announcing some exciting plan, that is Super Active Club. In the Super Active Club, anybody can get entry by sponsoring through 3 new sponsors. You can get monthly prize by sponsoring 3 new people in your team. Company's artificial intelligence system will automatically incorporate you in this club, and you will get the chances to win prizes. Let us see which type of prizes. First prize is scooty. Company will provide 50,000 rupees on your wallet. If you win, you can purchase any vehicle or anything, but company will provide 50,000 rupees to the first winner. 2 winners will get 18,000 rupees for the purchase of laptop for their children. Third prize is LED TV. 3 winner will get 10,000 rupees on their cash wallet and they can purchase LED TV. Fourth prize, 4 trolley bag worth of 2,500 rupees. You will get 2,500 rupees on your cash wallet and you can purchase trolley bag. For the 10 winners, company will provide 1,000 rupees for the purchase of pressure cooker. That means you can consider total 20 will get benefit from this Super Active Club by only sponsoring 3 new people in a month. That is the new update from the 1st September. So friends, now my presentation has already completed. Now I invite all the international partners to take participation and share your experience or ask any question if you have.